How to create quick shadows on Photoshop. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So to add realism or depth to any layer out there, shadows are an essential part. So in this video, I'll show you guys how you can do it using a simple text shadow tool, which is to distort the layer and just add blur to it. This is a basic technique to add shadows, and let's say this is level 1, and I hope this will help you in your journey towards making better and realistic looking layers in the future. So let me quickly show you how to add a shadow to this text layer, for example. So all you have to do now is make sure that you duplicate the layer. You can do that by clicking or right clicking the layer and click on duplicate layer. It can be an untitled one, and once you've duplicated the layer, you just bring it down the original shadow text, and once you do that, you can go ahead and right click on it and rasterize the type or rasterize the layer. This is important because we are going to distort the text that is being shown on the screen. There is no reason behind why we have to rasterize it, but it is important because we are going to distort the layer. And once you click on rasterize type, you can go ahead and click on the transformation keys, and once you do that, you can right click and click on distort. And once you click on distort, you can go ahead and add the kind of shadow that you want. I'm going to do this parallelogram type of shadow, and once you're satisfied with your changes, you can go ahead and click on the check mark, and now you can see that the shadow is added, but it is not as visible or as pleasing as it should be. Now you can make the shadow more shadow-like by clicking on the shadow layer, then going on filter, and then clicking on blur and Gaussian blur. And once you click on Gaussian blur, you can go ahead and customize the radius of the pixels of the blur. And now you can see it is a little more looking like a shadow. So once you do this, and if you want to even set it more, the effect, you can go ahead and change the color of the main shadow text. Let me do that for you. Let's change it to a darker version of red. And now you can see that the shadow effect is in full use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video was helpful. If you did, and hopefully it also helped you in learning Photoshop a little better. And yeah, if this video did help you out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.